Hello everyone, William with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to review the wafer relays in our electrical panel. Inside our electrical panel, we have some wafer relays in here. These ones are a black base with a white relay. So the relay in here is removable. If for troubleshooting purposes, or if the relay goes bad and you have to change it, you don't change the whole relay and base, you just change the relay. So to change the relay, there is a little rocker tab. So the rocker tab that's on the top here. So if you push that up, and the relay comes out. It actually pushes the relay out as you're pushing it up. So to put it back in, you put it back in like so, and I'll show you with this relay that I have here. So it shows you the description of the relay. The description of the relay is here. And then, as you can see, so it doesn't go flying, put my hand over it. But yeah, there's a little rocker arm in here that pushes the relay up as you remove it. So you can see there's two contacts for the coil, and then your contacts for the outputs and common are there. So this relay does not go in, it only goes in one way. It won't go in the opposing way. So you have to put it in correctly, and it pushes down and snaps in like so. So, and then you'll also see on here, there's contacts A1, A2, and then on this here we have the common, normally open and normally closed contact. On older units, we also use this relay and base. This is the same part, this relay, but the base is different. So what you want to do is if you're, for some reason have to change the base out, make sure that you note the location that the wire comes out of by the wire number. So there's different terminal locations. So if I look at this unit here, these two units numbers are different, 11 and this is 14. So they're different contacts or different locations. So just pay attention to that. But the relay and the base does the same function. If you have to remove the relay, another question I get is to remove the relay. So it sits in a track, and there's a spot you can put your screwdriver in. Actually, if you look this way, the spot you can put your screwdriver in, there's a little slot, and that moves the locking and unlocking feature for the relay. To remove the relay, we're pushing out and up, and you just want to make sure that all your contacts, all the terminals are not bent for any reason. Then to reinstall, push it in, so like so. To remove, check those contacts, it goes back in like so. Then to remove the relay and the base, there's the terminal in the back, like shown before, up top. I pry it upwards, and then the relay and the base needs to go downwards and then out. So that relay is now out. So to put back in, it goes down and then rock it back up into place. It's all back in. If you guys have any questions about how these relays work or how any of the other relays work in our system, please give our service department a call.